Looking for the best Brother sewing machines? They are known for being easy to use, reliable, and feature-rich, offering everything from basic stitching for beginners to advanced computerized models for quilting and embroidery. Whether you want simple, everyday sewing or creative projects, Brother machines combine smooth performance, durability, and great value for all skill levels. Starting at number 1, Brother XR955 PRW Sewing Machine. The Brother XR950 PRW Sewing and Quilting Machine, Project Runway Edition, is a versatile and feature-rich machine designed for sewing, quilting, and creative projects. It comes with 165 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting options, giving users a wide range of design possibilities. The LCD display makes stitch selection easy and precise, while the automatic needle threader and simple controls enhance overall convenience. This model includes a wide table for handling larger quilting projects and comes with 8 sewing feet to support different techniques and fabrics. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced sewists who want flexibility and precision. Work. Number 2. Brother SE600 Sewing Machine. The Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine is a versatile computerized machine designed for both sewing and embroidery projects. It features 80 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in stitches, giving users plenty of creative options for customization and detailed work. With a 4-4 embroidery hoop area, it is ideal for small to medium-sized embroidery projects, while its automatic functions make setup and operation simple. The machine includes a 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display for easy design selection and editing, along with built-in features like automatic needle threading for added convenience. It also comes with 7 sewing feet to support various sewing techniques and fabric types. Number 3. Brother CS5055 PRW Sewing Machine. The Brother CS5055 PRW Sewing Machine, Project Runway Edition, is a user-friendly, computerized machine designed for everyday sewing and creative projects. It features 50 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and stretch options, giving users flexibility for a variety of fabrics and designs. The LCD display makes stitch selection simple and accurate, while the automatic needle threader and easy-to-use controls enhance convenience for beginners and experienced users alike. This model includes 7 sewing feet to support different techniques such as zipper insertion, buttonholes, and quilting. Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it easy to use at home or transport when needed. The Brother CS5055 PRW is a reliable choice for those looking for smooth performance, versatility, and ease of use in a sewing machine. Number 4. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine is a lightweight and beginner-friendly model designed for everyday sewing tasks and simple creative projects. It features 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and stretch options, allowing users to work with different fabrics and sewing styles. Its easy stitch selector dial makes operation simple and convenient, especially for beginners. This machine comes with 6 included sewing feet to support various functions such as buttonholes, zippers, and hemming. Despite its lightweight design, it offers reliable performance and smooth stitching for home use. The Brother XM2701 is a practical choice for users looking for an affordable, easy-to-use sewing machine for basic sewing and crafting needs. Number 5. Brother CS7205 Computerized Machine. The Brother CS7205 Computerized Sewing Machine is a versatile and feature-rich model designed for both sewing and quilting projects. It comes with 150 built-in stitches and 1 font for lettering, giving users plenty of creative options for decorative and practical sewing. The wide table provides extra workspace, making it especially useful for larger projects like quilts and home decor items. This machine includes 11 sewing feet to support a variety of techniques such as quilting, zipper insertion, and buttonholes. Its computerized controls and LCD display make stitch selection easy and precise, while the automatic needle threader adds extra convenience. The Brother CS7205 is a great choice for sewists who want flexibility, accuracy, and expanded creative possibilities in one machine.